Hello friends, in this lecture we will Hello friends, in this lecture we will know how to insert fillet and chamfer in the sketches. So fillet and chamfer are used to trim a corner with two corner or any radius. So for this I go to this rectangle tool and I draw a rectangle like this. And then I go to fillet. So we can find this fillet option in this create panel, fillet. So if I click on this arrow, we can find fillet and chamfer. So I go to fillet and now it is asking us to insert the radius of fillet. So to insert the fillet, we need to select two adjacent lines. So this is the first line and this is the second line. And now we can see the preview of a fillet. So the radius of this fillet is 0.125 and we can see it from here. This is the fillet. Pick this arrow and drag it like this. So once again we can insert the fillet, zoom in here, go to fillet tool, insert the value. So I insert this value 0.15 and once again we need to select two adjacent lines. Click on the first line and then click for the second line. When I take the mouse to the second line, we can see the preview of a fillet. When I click here, we can see the fillet. Onto this fillet we can see this arc that is created is tangent to both the lines. So in this way we can insert the fillet. I undo this, okay, cancel this and then undo this. After that we will know how to insert chamfer. So go to chamfer tool. In the chamfer, the first option it is showing symmetric chamfer. Second is asymmetric chamfer and the third is chamfer with respect to any angle. So let's understand what is this symmetric chamfer. So make a click on this symmetric chamfer and then select this distance value. Once again we need to select two adjacent lines. So this is the first line and this is the second line. And now we can see a chamfer has been created. So let's zoom out and we can see the preview of a chamfer. So the chamfer has two dimensions and these dimensions are automatically created. Let's zoom in here. So this is the vertical value and this is the horizontal value. So in the symmetric type of chamfer, both the values will be same. And this is the center of chamfer. So let's go to second part. I select this asymmetric type of chamfer. So in this type of chamfer, we can select different values. So here is 0.15. So I insert this value 0.15 and let's take it 0.125. I click for the first line and click the second line. This time we can see we have two different set of values. And the third option in the chamfer is chamfer with respect to any angle. So in this we need to specify an angle and then the distance value. So right now angle is 45 and distance is 0.15. So select the first line and the second line. And now we can see the angle is specified with respect to the first line we have selected. And this is the value of its distance. So I click OK. So in this way we can create fillet and chamfer in the sketches. I click on finish sketch. In this lecture, we will know how to use the mirror command. As the name suggests, we can mirror a geometry with the